Namaste. We are doing this practice for reactivate your vagus nerve. As you know, when vagus nerve is activated, you are more calm, more relaxed, you release the all stress and you feel happier. Let's sitting into easy, comfortable pose. Hands to your knees or into your lap. Just feel comfortable, eyes closed, and let's follow my instructions. First of all, just relax your whole body. Relax your facial muscles, your forehead, your eyebrows. Relax your surrounding of your eyes. Relax your eyeball. Relax your root of the nose. Relax. Relax your cheeks, your chin, your lips, your tongue. Relax. Middle of forehead. Relax. Let's feel your breathing. Make your breathing soft, slow, but longer. I will guide you. Let's exhale a little longer. Inhale slowly and longer. Exhaling longer. Inhale longer. Exhaling longer. Inhale longer slowly. Exhale longer. Inhale longer. Keep going, exhaling longer, slowly, with a gentle smile. Inhale longer. As you smile, you immediately relax and reactivate your vagus nerve. Exhale longer. Inhaling longer. Exhale longer. Inhale happier. Exhaling happier. Notice, inhale happier. Exhaling happier. Inhale happier. Exhaling happier. This time, end of exhalation, hold breath out for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale happier, slow, longer. Top Of inhalation, hold breath in for 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling longer. Hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly and longer, happier. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling longer. One more round, empty. Hold breath out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Happier. Inhale. Hold breath in. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale longer. Inhale longer and happier, smoothly. Exhaling longer. Please follow my instructions. More empty, slow. Happier inhale. Happier exhale. Happier inhale. Happier exhale longer. Continue, relax your neurological system. Inhale longer, smoother and happier. Exhaling. This time, end of exhalation, hold breath out for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale slowly. Please no rush. Hold breath in with happier face. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling slow. All the way empty. Hold breath out. Keep smiling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Reactivating your vagus nerve. Inhale. Hold breath in. Continue smile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Empty, empty, empty. Hold breath out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly and smoother. Inhale. Hold breath in. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhaling longer, smoother. Empty, empty. Happier. Inhale. Exhale longer. Soften shoulders, soften your face. Inhale longer, smoother, happier. Exhaling, little more empty. More relaxing way, inhale, longer, longer exhale. Inhale, exhale, less soft breathing. Relaxing your spine, relax your facial muscles. Continue, relax your eyeball, surround of your eyes. Relax your middle of forehead. Relax tip of the nose, inside of the nose. Reactivating your vagus nerve, which help to calm and relax. It's help to retraining your body and mind to be relaxed and calm. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om, three Shanti together. Inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Proud yourself. Continue smiling. Namaste. You do this practice few times a day to reactivate your vagus nerve. And if you want to more practice, longer practice, you're very welcome to join us on akhandyogaonline.com. There is many type of the yoga practice for you. Namaste and have a beautiful happy day. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yog Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.